So today I'm going to be using this, which is a really cool basket for frying food or cooking food. I'm going to be doing this on the grill, and I'm going to be cooking some fish and some zucchini today. But this thing's pretty slick. Let me go ahead and show you some of the things on it. Some of the features are is that the handle does fold up, so it makes it a little bit easier to store. It has this, which allows you to lock down the tray so that it doesn't open up. And then this is you put your food in here, and you've got these little separators that are in here, and these separators actually come out so that you can adjust where you want to have them, and you just basically just slide them in, and it allows you to place them in different areas. So you just basically throw the food in, close this up, and then you slide over the tab and nothing comes out, and then the handle also becomes rigid, and then you can just plop it on the grill how you want. So let me get some food on here and we'll get cooking. So we got some fresh Mahi steaks that I'm going to be cooking up. I should say not fresh, but I have some Mahi steaks. I went ahead and oiled both of it with a olive oil spray to give it a little bit of extra help with sticking. And I'll just go ahead and take these out, dry them off a little bit like that. I think we'll use some Mrs. Dash on this. Give it some good flavor. All right, so I'm actually going to take this center piece out. Throw this here for right now. My hands are a little slippery right now. Go ahead and take that out, and I'm going to lay some zucchini in and cook that up. All right, do a little bit of that. Do a little pepper. Actually, drizzle with some olive oil real quick. Lots of pepper. A little of that. Throw some peppers on it. All right, and now we'll just close this up, and now we are set to grill. So I'll go ahead and get this grilling, and then we'll see what we got. All right, so we have them on. They are cooking. I have it upside down like this, so now I can close the lid a little bit. And I only want to hit the other side just a little bit, so whenever I flip it over, I'll have to have the lid up a little bit. But this is going to be awesome. All right, it's already been flipped once. Let's go check her out. She's doing fantastic. Go ahead and flip it again. Just give it another quick heat. Giving those veggies a good cooking. I'm sure the fish is well done. In fact, I'm going to go grab a thermometer just to make sure. All right, so as you can see, everything's looking fantastic. It's grilling up nicely. So if this is something you're looking for and you've always wanted to have a grill tray like this, then I would definitely check this out. Super easy to use. Keeps the food all nice and captured so that you can flip it. Look at the grill on that. That is fantastic. We are going to have some fantastic fish and veggies to go along with our rice. So check it out. The handle works fantastic. Just keep on flipping it and do your thing, and it works really well. All right, so it turned out fantastic. I cannot be any more pleased. So check it out.